Hello, hello. Hey guys. So this is what we are going to be doing today. We are translating words in symbols, meaning I'm going to give you a little math problem only in words, and you're going to have to change it to be symbols and numbers. So the question we have is, how do you translate a problem from words to symbols? Well, in order to do that, let's look at what some symbols and the words that go with those symbols mean. So we have addition words. Think about, what are some words that mean to add something? Okay, you may be thinking we could find the sum. We could plus two things together, so 1 plus 2 means I'm adding. What about 3 more than a number? And then maybe if I'm totaling something up, that means I'm going to add it all. Do you have any more adding words? Okay, what about subtraction words? What about words that mean to subtract? Okay, maybe I could minus. I could take away, like 3 take away 7. I could find the difference between two things. Then we have two kind of special cases. Less than, I'll do these in a different color. And fewer than. We'll come back to these two, but these two are kind of special words, and they're going to mean we do something a little bit extra. Now, what about words that mean to multiply? I could say that you're going to multiply. So 3 multiplied by 4. So multiplied by, what about product? Do you guys remember that word? The product of two things? Or twice the amount, or 3 times the amount of something. What if I said like half of something? Would that be multiplication or division? It's actually going to be division. If I have half of something, that means I'm going to divide it by 2. Or a third of something, I'm dividing by 3. What's another division word? Just divided by. And then we have the word quotient. So these are my multiplication and division words. So I have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Well, now I have some words that mean equality and inequality. So think about greater than or equal to, or greater than, less than or equal to, or less than. So whenever I see a word that means equality, it's going to have the word is next to it. So everyone do a big is, maybe circle that. So if something is greater than or is less than, that means I'm going to use one of these signs. Those are my fancy signs. Well, then I could have something that is equal to, but that's is equals to, or is the same as. So take a minute to write these down. You can press pause if you need to, and we're going to go to variable words. These mean you want a symbol or a letter. So maybe I could say, give me some number. Or the value. Or sometimes I may just tell you what letter to put there, and I may just tell you what symbol to use. So my steps for translating, the first one, read the problem as many times as you need to. Y'all, it's okay if you have to read the problem over and over and over again. Read, 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 read. If you have questions about what the problem's asking, let one of us know. We want to come help. We want to make sure that we're all getting it good. Step 2 is to underline key words and phrases from the problem and from the operations word list. So what you just made on this page is your operations word list. It has all the words we use for different operations. Step 3 is to write the symbols above each underline. So any big thing you underlined, you're going to put a symbol right above it. Number 4, write your answer from left to right. With subtraction, less than, from, or take, flipping the order. That's when I said circle those words in your subtraction list. Circle these guys. Look, I'm going crazy with it. Make sure that you flip your order. We'll do some more practice in a minute. Then it says reread the problem and make sure your answer makes sense.